Welcome to the Taranker tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to build a fully functional e-commerce website using Wix and Taranker. By the end of this video, you'll have a professional online store ready to sell your products. Let's get started. Step 1. Setting up your Wix account. First, head over to wix.com and click Get Started. Sign up by entering your details, and just like that, you're in. Wix will ask, who are you making this website for? Choose the option that fits you best. Let's go with for myself. Now, skip the chat setup by clicking Setup without chat. Step 2. Creating your online store. It's time to choose your website type. Select Online Store and hit Continue. Hang tight for a moment while Wix loads up your dashboard. Once you're in, give your store a name. Let's say Wix Dropshipping Store. Then click Continue. Wix will ask if you've sold online before. If you have, click Yes. If not, choose No, I'm just starting out, and continue. For your business model, go with dropshipping products. Then click Online Store followed by Continue to Dashboard. Step 3. Claiming your domain. Now it's time to claim your domain. Enter your domain name and click Let's Go. This step is crucial as it gives your store a professional and trustworthy identity. Step 4. Designing your website. Let's make your site look amazing. Scroll down and click Pick a Template. Browse through the designs and choose one that matches your style. Once you've found the perfect fit, click Edit to start customizing. On the left-hand side, you'll see all the tools you need to add features. Just click and drag to place elements exactly where you want them. Step 5. Adding your products. To add products, go to Manage Product, click New Product, and select Physical Product. From there, you can upload images, videos, descriptions, pricing, everything you need to showcase your items. Once you've added all your products and customized your store, you're ready to launch. Step 6. Enhance your store with Taranker. First, let's go over what is Taranker. Taranker is a leading platform for e-commerce app recommendations, trusted by businesses worldwide. We provide curated listings, authentic user reviews, and data-driven insights to help you make informed decisions. Our AI-powered comparison tool allows you to evaluate up to 4 apps side by side, analyzing key features, pros and cons, and real user feedback. Whether you're looking to optimize operations, boost sales, or enhance customer experience, Taranker ensures you find the perfect app to maximize your business potential. First up, start your search. Let's go to Taranker.com and explore a wide selection of apps designed to help you optimize your website. In the homepage of Taranker, you will see a plethora of apps that can further help you to maximize your website potential. In this case, let's check out Wix app. Given that we'll be covering how to create a dropshipping website, let's hover onto Sell Online and choose Dropshipping. Found the one you're looking for? Good. Not yet? Use the search bar in the top right corner to find it instantly with AI search tool. Once inside, you can get detailed descriptions of the app's features, pros and cons analyzed with AI from real user reviews, and best of all, top helpful review section. Here you can see all of our past and/or current users' most honest reviews of the app to help you make an informed decision. Still having doubts? Let's compare. Here you can start comparing your app with other alternatives. If you have one in mind, that's great. Just click Compare and search for the app you wish to make comparison with. If not, we got you covered. Scroll down to the top-rated alternatives section, where we've pre-selected the best similar apps for you. Click View Comparison, and you're all set. We can help you compare up to 4 apps at once, side by side for best experience. Our side-by-side comparison includes ratings compiled by the most authentic reviews from our users, the differences in pricing for smarter budgeting, plus interface previews to see how each app looks like on your website, and especially pros and cons, completely made by the use of our AI, based on authentic users' reviews for your best selection, and much more. Congratulations! You've successfully built your e-commerce website using Wix and Taranker. Now it's time to start selling. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next video.